What's up, guys? Welcome. Today we're gonna try to make this really quick. Last video I was scrolling up and down a lot and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Today I have my 8-year-old, there's the camera, son.
Hi.
Introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Zeke.
Do you like the stock market?
Kind of.
He's like, Daddy forces me to like it. Daggum. So today we're gonna talk about, you do like it a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so this is what Zeke put on today, Microsoft. And what did you do, Zeke? Tell him what you did. Oh, I'm scrolling. I'm gonna do it quietly. Go ahead.
Well, I was selling a put because it looks like it's going to go down.
Yeah, but you did. So I haven't done any bullish positions thus far. Zeke and my wife put on. We have a trading competition, so we all have paper accounts and the friends have paper accounts, so we're competing. Interestingly enough, Zeke is in second place.
Yeah.
So Zeke and my wife put on 2 bullish trades, and we'll talk about those. So for the people long the stock market, you're long stock, this will be interesting because it'll be like, hey, here's some long positions you can take. Zeke went long at 235. So he sold the 235 put to expire by this blue line right here. So if we stay above this red line, by this blue line, do you remember what your return was?
No.
It was about 11%.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so he got long right here. So we're trying to make it here, and he'll make 11%. So we are bullish on Microsoft. It's not financial advice, because if you use this advice and you're using stocks as your trading vehicle, it could just work against us the whole time, and he's still up 11% by here if we expire above the red line. But he is bullish. Zeke, the second place trader, is bullish on Microsoft. Ashley is Amazon. She took a bullish position, and she said Amazon's not going to drop below 85 by this blue line. So she is bullish. Amazon, not financial advice, but and hers was 7%. So if she stays above the red line by the blue line, she's up 7%. That's her bullish position. Of course, if it just goes from here tomorrow and just shoots up, she can close out early and she doesn't have to wait all the way to the blue line. Or we can close our position and come up here. If it shot up to here tomorrow, we can come up here and sell a call and make even more money with no additional buying power. All right, so bullish Amazon, bullish Microsoft, not financial advice. What did I do today? Tesla. I'm scrolling. I closed Tesla. I'm gonna quietly scroll. I closed Tesla, and interestingly enough, this was my last video. I closed Spotify, where I had shorted below, and I closed above my short position. Now remember, if you go short on a position, if it goes up, you lose money. Right, Zeke? If you're short and it goes up, you lose money, right?
Yeah.
If you're long and it goes up, you make money, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I had shorted Tesla at 201.10. What happened? Well, since I shorted it, which must have been right here? No way. No way. The daily. Are these lines like reversed or something? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Let's get rid of this line right here. I see what happened. They're just so close. So probably on this day right here, on 208, or on this day, one of these 3 days, I took the short position, and you can see it was this little gray line. Today I closed my position at the gold line because Tesla. How do I trade Tesla, Zeke? Am I good at it or bad at it?
Bad at it.
Yes, I'm bad at trading Tesla.
He does not like Tesla.
No, because it always works against me. I lose money. Today, I'm like, I'm exiting this thing. But guess what?
What?
We made money because let's look at the 5 minute. So this is the daily. So say I shorted it here. Now we're looking at today. Today, why is this? Okay, there we go. So this is the open. Here we go. We're looking at the 5 minute. Today, I exited my position at the yellow line. So it's up just a few cents. 2.108 to there. So $1. It's up like $1. If I had shorted it, I should be a dollar loss, right?
Mm-hmm.
Instead, because we sold a lottery ticket, we sold the ticket per spread, we sold it for $65. Today, I bought it back for $20. That was, again, it's weird. They're both 10.3% returns, but because Spotify, I believe I sold the lottery ticket at 50 and bought it back at 3. This one I sold at 65 and bought it back at
25.
20.
Oh.
So my profit was 45. And with the buying power I used, that was a 10.3% return. Beautiful. So this is why you gotta check the course out when it comes out, coming out soon. We're gonna show you how to sell lottery tickets, because you can either be right or wrong.
Yeah, right or wrong.
You can be wrong and you still make money, right?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Perfect. So Tesla, I have exited. I'm not really bullish or bearish. I just want to see it rip down, rip up, do something to where I can get in. This is why it had ripped up. I entered here. I like to see it do something. Right now it's just mid-range. Do something and we'll revisit you, Tesla.
Yeah.
Today, you'll see there is no white line here because I have not entered yet. I placed an order in this range right here. I can check and see if I've been filled. Have I been filled? I don't think so. Still have not been filled. I'm trying to sell this lottery ticket for $70 and it would expire here. This would be a nice little trade. This is not a heavily liquid stock, so I have not yet been filled. I would like to get filled. This is a diabetes company and biotech is falling today. So this is, in the market's kind of falling today. So this is uncorrelated to biotech and the market. Yet it is biotech and it is just staying up. So I would like to kind of get a short position on here. NVO. So here I'm bearish at 150 by this date right here. Not financial advice, but if you would like to short something, I think this is the best thing on the table today. Let's see what else we got here. This is nothing. This is still my little struggler. Still haven't.
Elf Beauty.
Yeah, Elf Beauty. Still haven't crossed my strike. That's great. Still got out till here. I'm kind of trying to exit this. I don't like that this is just not working for me. I like to enter here and it just go down, right? So I could have, this morning, my open P&L was like 20 or 30%. And then because it came down here back to my entry price, I should just close. I was like, nah, everything's falling. This thing's just going to fall. So anyways, I'm looking to exit this one for a profit because now I'm back to negative. SPY, I closed SPY for a 36% loss. Now, Zeke, was that a bad thing?
No.
No, because it's a very tiny position. We don't care. The Tesla I closed today way covered my loss. SPY, I was short. I'm not going to try and explain this because this is pretty complicated, but for me to make money, it needed to cross this green line right here by this line. And I said, Zeke, at first you were like, just keep it open, Daddy. It's cheap, right?
Yeah.
And I was like, if you say so, I'll do it. I said, just so you understand, Zeke, it has to cross this green line by here for me to make money. And what'd you say?
It would have to fall like straight down, and the day would have to be longer.
Yes.
So no.
Yeah, or the time frame, because that's April 24th. It's probably not going to happen by then, right?
No.
So he's like, no, go ahead and close it. So I did. I closed it. And it was a 34.5% loss, I believe is what it was. We calculated. Again, small position, doesn't matter. I would like to see this kind of go up, maybe hit this white line again, and then I'm going to reattempt this, but I'll bring this like way up here, something like that. So it makes my odds better. I would also bring this line out for the same kind of bearish position. Give me better odds. And anyways, that would have been like a 5x return because we take those really tiny positions for big returns. All right, we don't do this very often. We don't like those. We're almost done. Let's see. Have we? Oh, we crossed 10 minutes. All right. Anyways, I want to show you. This is Zeke. These are our game accounts. All right. I haven't done much with my game account. Some of the friends, we've kind of lost momentum. Zeke and Ashley started today, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get back into it. This is Zeke's paper count. He's at 106. He started at 100 about mid-December, I believe. So he's up 6.4% since just not even 2 months. Is that 2 months? Yeah. Okay, that's almost 3 months. So he's gonna be more active. Let's see. And then poor sweet little Ashley, she's down. Oh, where's she at? It was like I saw 99. Yeah, 99. So she's down. She's pretty much flat. So Ashley's gonna trade more too. We're gonna try to at least get us three. We're gonna show our paper accounts and kind of show you what happens along the way. So, anyways, we don't want to talk on and on. Recap real quick. What are we bullish, bearish? We are bullish on Microsoft. I don't know if I am, but I know Zeke is. I'm rooting for you. You're gonna do great. Ashley's bullish on Amazon. Rooting for her. I'm bearish. I exited Tesla. No opinion on Tesla right now. And the S&P, I'm bearish on NVO. That's the one. That was my trade of the day. I would suggest. I have not been filled on it. SPY. I like to do this at the end of the video. Where do I think this is going? Let's see, Zeke. Where do you think it's going? Up or down?
Probably up.
Probably up.
Because it looks like it's down.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't really predict anything. If
Good.
Anything
That's
up.
what I say. I can't predict anything either. This is all for funsies. Last week, I think it was on Friday, I made this little descending triangle, and I said my price target is probably somewhere around 393 by the end of this thing. And I said this week we'd be staying between like 410 or something. My camera's falling. I said we'd be staying between like 410 and 403 or 409 and 403. I've already been wrong. So I told him last week we're gonna stay between here. Look what happens, Zeke. That's why we just can't guess it. But so we'd say Zeke says it's going up. I think maybe we could retest this green line or retest this purple line. So I'm saying, or I could stay with my original price target of 392. That's what I'm going with. I think this week we could see 392.
Yeah.
Zeke says we could retest the white line.
Yeah.
Go up.
Yeah, go up with the white line.
Okay. Zeke says we're going to hit the white line. I say we're coming down here for the week. Anyways, that is it, guys. Thank y'all for watching, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, and awkward silence because I haven't hit thing. Thanks. Yeah. Have a great day.
Yeah.